Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. I am Abhijit. Today we discuss about the right angle triangle. First of all, right angle triangle. Discuss the basic formula of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means a triangle at least one angle is 90 degree. Then we call this is a right angle triangle. This is the height of this triangle. This is the base of this triangle. Okay. So main basic formula of area of this triangle half into base to height. Okay. Or by the Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse, suppose I take this is A, this is B, and length of this is C. Then we can write this is A squared, B squared is equal to C squared by the Pythagoras theorem. This is the basic formula of any kind of right angle triangle. But before starting much deeper, I talking about some previous examples like similarity theorem. Similarity theorem is a triangle, similar triangle. Concept of similar triangle. When we say these two triangles are similar, okay. Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F. Suppose two angles, angle A, angle B, angle E, angle D are similar, then the angle C and angle F must be similar. And then we can say as the AB, then we can say, that is the, suppose the area of these two triangle, area, area. Okay, we can write the AB D square is equal to BC EF and AC by DF. In the angle wise, these two are similar but not same but similar. Ratio of this will be similar, and talking about the area. And no, this is when the bisector of this is perpendicular to this base. This calls the median. Median. When triangle, say this is the triangle DEF, area of this and area of this. Then you have also said that D is not D, so P, and this is we can consider as Q point. Then we can say that AP and DQ square. So the ratio of area and the ratio of these two medians will be same. And similarly, the perimeter and triangle ABC, perimeter of this triangle and this triangle, we can similarly write. It's not square, just similar. So this is very important for theorem. We need every time to do this. Okay, and one more theorem, that is we need to do this kind of mathematics to solve. This is called the Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem. Apollonius's theorem. Find this kind of triangle. We take triangle A, B, C, and we take a median D. Then we can say AB square plus AC square is equal to BD square plus AD square into 2. It is the formula you must remember and solve those kind of examples. And another, this says that AB DE, then we can write AD by BD is equal to AE by EC, or we can write AD by AB equal to AE by AC, or similarly vice versa. Okay, so I think these are important for the upcoming, when we do the upcoming examples. And one more thing, that is, if a triangle and this is the median and the bisector of it, this is the bisector of angle, and we draw a bisector of this and draw a bisector of this angle, we find a point. Okay, this point always divided into 2:1 ratio. Must be this segment and this segment in 2:1 ratio. Okay, and if we draw a circle with the help of these three dots, the radius will be the radius of the circle. Okay, this is the radius circle. So length of this radius of this is equal to delta. This means area. This means area. Del mean the triangle ABC's area. Okay, area of ABC. So I just write area of triangle ABC and the semi perimeter of triangle ABC. Okay, this is the formula. You must remember the radius of the circle. And this is the circle. Radius of this circle is delta by S. Area of the triangle by semi perimeter. It is the radius. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. I just make a mistake. Okay. This is not the formula. It is. I just make a mistake because it is the. I formula of this is this. When we draw a bisector and we make a circle inside the circle. That means this is the radius. This is the radius. This is the formula of this circle. Okay. When we write down this type of circle, then the radius of this type of circle would be what? ABC by 4 into area of the triangle. It's visible. When outside, then A into B into C, this is A, this is B, and this is C, ABC, the length of the triangle. Okay, length of this triangle, and 4 into the area. Okay, you must take a screenshot of these two formulas, and now it will be the our when the bisector of this, find out this is a D, A, B, C. Okay, this is the bisector of this. So when I draw a circle outside of this triangle, then you notice this is the diameter of the triangle. AC is the diameter of the triangle. So half of the radius of this triangle, radius is equal to hypotenuse by 2. This is the radius of the triangle. But if the triangle is inside the triangle, inside, if the triangle is inside of this triangle, then the radius of inside triangle, what will be? It will be B plus P minus H by 2. Okay, B plus P minus H by 2. Yes, you can write this B plus P minus H by 2. Okay, you must remember those formulas. This is very necessary for the upcoming questions. And one more things that is very much necessary, that is just one. This is the top triangle. Okay, top triangle A, B, C. This is our triangle. So when we draw a bisector of this angle D, then how to find the length of BD? How to find the length of BD? So finding length of BD, AB into BC by AC is the formula to find the length of BD. AB into BC by hypotenuse. Okay. Or you find the formula of AD. How to find? Find. Then you must understand when you talking about this side, then the nearest side of this. So make a square of this side, AB square by AC. Okay, and you need to find out this side DC. This is the nearest arm. So make sure BC square by AC. Okay, so we find out every kind of, I think everything of right angle triangle I just told you, and anything is necessary. Yes, but how are you talking about right angle triangle? Please, okay, that's enough. Let's do some examples. So our first example is says that if in a triangle ABC, A is the right angle, the length of AC and BC are 6 and 10 centimeter respectively, and point D is on AB such that BD is equal to 4 centimeter. What is the length of CD? So carefully, ABC is a triangle BA, and says that the A is the right angle. So A is the right angle. Okay, and AC and BC, AC 6 centimeter and BC is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Okay, and says that D is the point on AB. D is a point on AB such that BD is equal to 4 centimeter. D respectively, D is a point on AB. Okay, D is a point on AB. D is a point on AB such that BD is equal to 4 centimeter. BD is equal to 4 centimeter. So what is the length of CD? This is the length of CD. So this is the 10 centimeter. So when you're talking about the right angle triangle, you must remember the Pythagoras example, Pythagoras theorem. That is our triplet. That is a AB square plus AC square must be BC square. This is the formula. We need to remember that this is the every right angle triangle satisfy this formula. So we know the value of 6 centimeter. AC 6 centimeter 6 square and BC is the 10 square. So value of AB is equal to 100 minus 64, sorry, 36 6 centimeter. So 8 plus minus 8. So this is the 4 centimeter and this is we find out the 8 centimeter. So this is also 4 centimeter. Okay. So the length of CD is very simple because this is the base and this is the height and this is the hypotenuse. So CD is equal to root over AC square plus AD square. So we get 6 square plus 4 square. So 36 plus 16 we get 2 and 4 and 52. So root over 52. So root over 52. So 4 into 13 is root over 52. So 2 root 13 is the right answer. So it is the question of 2018 pre CGL question. So that's for today. Uh, so if you think this is helpful for you, give a like and comment for if you want more examples like this, comment below and like that motivate me to do this kind of examples for you. Thank you for watching me. See you in the next video.